Well, I'm out here in the garden and it's not pouring down rain at the moment. Look at my poor lilac. I think it froze after it had started to bud. And so all of this fresh new growth has died off. And look, you can see over here, here are some of my flowers that have died off. I'm so sad. This is my favorite lilac bush to do other than trim it off. You can see it's getting new growth already, even though it froze, but it's definitely not going to flower this year after freezing like that. So that's sad. I don't know. When should I trim it? Should I trim it now? I don't think I should. I think I should wait. Anyway. Yeah. Well, my other lilac did not freeze. It must have started blooming a couple of days later, and so it is fine. And so I'll have some purple lilacs anyway. Just no white ones this year. So this is going to be my potato bed. So I'm going to go ahead and do the Zorab no dig method on my potato garden this year. But I'm not ready to pull out my bale of straw yet until it gets a little warmer and I'm able to cover this whole garden with it. But for now, I've dug up my potato bed, I've mussed it up, and what I'm going to do is I've got my potatoes and they've been chitted. They've been sitting for a while, so this is all nice and hard. And you can see they're starting to get little sprouts. And I'm basically just going to set them in the dirt and then pile up some dirt around them. I've got this one whole one. I think I'll just smack it right down here in the middle. And then I only have a few. But yeah, so we'll put them, spread them around here. And there's my 5 potatoes. So now I'm going to come in here and mound up some dirt on top of them. And we'll see if they grow. I'm not going to bother watering them in because it's been raining like crazy and I've just caught a little break in the rain right now to be able to come out, but it will be raining again. So I'm not going to bother watering them in. I'm just going to cover them up with some dirt and we'll go from there. What's going on, Mima? You gonna tell me?
I'm sure I'm not depressed.
Oh, okay. Come on then.
Da, 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 da.
You have to get a little bit closer. He can't see you yet.
What? What's that for?
That's her Mexican hat dance. Oh,
brother.
She had to show you that she's not depressed.
Lorrie's worried that you're thinking I'm depressed.
Yeah.
So she thought she'd do a Mexican hat dance. So in the inside garden, here are my berries, and I had to transplant some of my tomatoes and put them in bigger pots. I've got some cucumbers back there. Some of my berries are doing really good. These little onions are doing good. So that is that garden. I think I need to water some of those tomatoes. They're starting to look a little droopy. I'll have to pull stuff out. Oh, and look at that melon. That's just really taken off. Woohoo! Hello to melon. And here are the bigger plants. Here's my bowl of peppers that is doing quite well. And then I have a pumpkin and a melon here, and these are looking a little droopy. I'm not sure why. It might be too warm in here for them, but it's definitely too cold outside. Now look at these. See how they have those little hairs on them? Those will produce roots if that hits the dirt. So I will be coming in here and adding a little bit more dirt, building it up a little bit more. I'm not getting root bound yet, and it's not dry, so anyway, but there's those. And then over here, oh, look at this. Look at. I have an avocado that has come up. So that's pretty exciting. It doesn't look like much yet. It's just a stick, but it's coming up. And then this here, I don't know what this is. Again, I forgot to label, but it's some kind of it's either a pumpkin or it's a melon, one or the other. My cherry tomatoes are looking good. Ooh, this basil looks a little dry. I might need to get it in some water. And then here are my marigolds. They're doing good. There's my other basil. It's time to cut that back, maybe make some bruschetta. I think I've still got some tomato. And yeah, here's my berry bushes, and they are looking good too. I can't wait. Let's see if there's anything going on here. These are my blackberries. Oh, nothing. I took them out of the fridge a few days ago, but they're still not doing nothing. They're nice and wet. So I'm just going to keep this on here. And we'll see. I mean, who knows how long it takes for the seeds to actually germinate. But we're hoping. And I guess that's it for my garden update for today. It's still so ugly outside around here. It's raining pretty much every day. Sometimes raining a lot. Other times just a steady drizzle all day long. But the temperatures, we're not getting much past 50 during the day. Maybe 53, which would be like a 12 in Celsius. And at night, we're still getting down into the 30s, which is, I'm looking here and it's like 4, 5, 6 degrees Celsius at night. For me to put peppers and tomatoes outside, I need to have some consistent 50-degree nights. 50 degrees or at least, what would that be? That would be 10 or 12. I need it to be that warm before I can start putting my stuff out every night. And yeah, we're getting awful weather for May. This spring has been very wet and very cold, so not a lot. I haven't planted anything outside yet. Things are starting to get a little overgrown inside here, as you can see. There were a few things I thought maybe I could put out a little early this year, but it's not working out that way at all. So anyway, thanks for coming and hanging out with me for a little while in the garden today. I do appreciate you. I am just so excited to see you here and so happy that you stopped in to say hello and have a visit. I hope that you'll leave a comment. I love getting the comments. I try to respond to all of them. It might take me a couple days sometimes, but I do try to respond to all the comments that are left on my videos because I really do appreciate you taking the time to comment. So if you haven't subscribed, you should. And you should ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. And I guess that's it for today. I'm going to sign off and say take good care of yourself. I will see you soon. Bye now.